From the searing heart of our sun to the furthest reaches of the galaxy, a silent, unseen bombardment perpetually bathes our planet. High-energy particles, cosmic rays and solar flares are constant travelers through the void, capable of penetrating deep into our atmosphere and even our bodies. While Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere offer significant protection, the threat is ever present, particularly for astronauts, and has long been a factor in discussions about long-term health, including the risk of cancer. Modern science understands that these energetic particles can wreak havoc on our cellular machinery, damaging DNA and increasing the likelihood of mutations that lead to disease. But what if our understanding of these particles and the very nature of cellular health is incomplete? What if a deeper, dimensional perspective could unlock revolutionary ways to predict, prevent, and even protect ourselves from this cosmic threat, right down to the cellular level? At the 11-dimensional model of the universe, we propose a groundbreaking framework. By understanding particles, the sun, and even the subtle mechanics of life through the lens of 11 dimensions, we believe we can revolutionize our defense against cosmic dangers and fundamentally transform our approach to preventing diseases like cancer. This is the first essay in a series exploring these visionary possibilities. Our universe is far from empty. It's a vast ocean teeming with energy and particles. Our sun, the magnificent star at the heart of our solar system, constantly emits streams of charged particles known as solar wind and occasionally unleashes more intense bursts during powerful solar flares. These events send torrents of energetic particles hurtling through space. Beyond our solar system, originating from cataclysmic events like supernovae and the fiery hearts of distant galaxies, are galactic cosmic rays, GCRs. These are atomic nuclei, stripped of their electrons, traveling at nearly the speed of light. They are incredibly energetic and highly penetrating, capable of traversing vast cosmic distances. While Earth's robust magnetosphere, its invisible magnetic shield, and its thick atmosphere provide significant protection, deflecting and absorbing much of this incoming radiation, some particles still reach the surface. For astronauts embarking on long-duration space missions, journeying beyond the magnetosphere's protective embrace, the threat is far more pronounced. Their bodies are directly exposed to this intense radiation environment. The direct interaction of these high-energy particles with living tissue is a known cause of cellular damage. They can ionize molecules within our cells, create highly reactive free radicals, and most critically, directly damage DNA. Such damage can lead to mutations, cellular dysfunction, premature aging, and a significantly increased risk of developing various forms of cancer. Scientists have painstakingly studied these physical effects, devising shielding solutions and monitoring radiation doses. But the fundamental question remains, can we go beyond shielding? Can we understand the very nature of this interaction at a deeper level to fundamentally mitigate this pervasive, unseen threat? To truly grasp the potential for a new era of cosmic protection and health, we must first view these particles, and indeed all matter, through the revolutionary lens of the 11-dimensional model. In our framework, fundamental particles aren't just tiny solid spheres or point-like entities. They are stable, localized knots within the universal wave. This universal wave is itself the dynamic product of the 10th dimension's expansive, deterministic push and the 11th dimension's contractive quantum pull. The energy, mass, charge, and even the trajectory of any particle are inherent properties of its unique resonant configuration within this intricate dimensional interplay. Each particle vibrates, resonates, and exists as a specific dimensional harmony. When a high-energy cosmic ray particle traverses space and interacts with other matter, it's not merely a brute force physical collision, it's a complex dimensional interaction. Its unique, intensely concentrated resonance signature, born from extreme 10th and 11th dimensional interactions, directly engages with and can potentially disrupt the delicate dimensional harmony of the target, in this case, our cells. This brings us to a profound and honestly quite revolutionary hypothesis about the very nature of cellular health and disease. Our model proposes that healthy cellular function, and particularly the integrity and stability of DNA, relies on a precise and intricate dimensional resonance, or harmonic balance, within the universal wave. Imagine, if you will, a healthy cell as a finely tuned orchestra, or perhaps a perfectly balanced string on an instrument vibrating at a specific, life-sustaining frequency orchestrated by the underlying 10th and 11th dimensional dynamics. This harmony, you see, allows for proper replication, repair, and overall cellular vitality. Now consider the impact of cosmic particles. Their intense energy and unique dimensional signatures are not just causing random physical damage, but fundamentally acting as a dimensional dissonant. When such a particle impacts a cell, its powerful disruptive dimensional resonance can actively deform or disrupt the delicate dimensional harmony of the cell's DNA and other vital structures. This is, in essence, a fundamental alteration of the resonant frequencies that underpin healthy cellular function and stability. This disruption, a dimensional discord, leads to instability, malfunction, and ultimately the uncontrolled, disharmonious growth characteristic of cancer. This concept of cellular resonance and disharmony is not purely theoretical. In fact, it finds astonishing real-world parallels in groundbreaking research being conducted right now on using sound frequencies and ultrasound technology for cancer treatment. This provides a compelling, tangible link that supports the very essence of our 11-dimensional model's proposed mechanisms. High-intensity focused ultrasound, or HIFU, for example, uses highly concentrated sound waves to precisely heat and destroy cancerous tissue, a non-invasive surgical approach. In our model, this could be interpreted as applying a high-energy dimensional frequency that causes localized, extreme agitation and collapse of the unstable cancer cell's dimensional knot. Then there's histotripsy, pioneered at the University of Michigan and now FDA approved for liver tumors. Histotripsy uses precisely focused ultrasound waves to mechanically break apart tumor cells by creating and collapsing microscopic bubbles within them. Crucially, this method also triggers an immune response, exposing hidden tumor antigens that allow the body's own defenses to target remaining cancer cells. From an 11-dimensional perspective, this could be seen as using specific dimensional frequencies to physically disrupt the cancer cell's unstable dimensional resonance, effectively unraveling the diseased knot and exposing its constituent parts to the body's natural dimensional defense mechanisms, the immune system. There's also low-intensity pulsed ultrasound, or LIPUS, sometimes called oncotripsy. Some research is exploring the use of low-intensity ultrasound pulses to selectively kill cancer cells while leaving healthy ones unharmed. This aligns perfectly with the idea of targeting specific harmonic resonances of cancer cells, much like, say, an opera singer's voice shattering a glass tuned to a precise frequency. In our model, these carefully tuned sound waves would be introducing a specific dimensional harmonic that only resonates destructively with the disrupted, disharmonious dimensional signatures of cancer cells, forcing their unstable knots to unravel, while leaving the healthy cells' balanced dimensional resonances undisturbed. This pioneering work in sonotherapy provides powerful empirical evidence that manipulating cellular frequencies and resonance can have profound effects on disease. It suggests, quite intriguingly, that what scientists are observing as frequencies could very well be the macroscopic manifestation of deeper underlying dimensional resonances that govern the health and stability of every cell. The implications of this 11-dimensional perspective on cosmic particles and cancer are nothing short of revolutionary. It shifts our focus from merely reacting to threats or treating symptoms to understanding and, potentially, manipulating the very dimensional fabric of existence itself. For future space exploration, this could lead to the development of radical new dimensional shields. Instead of just physically blocking particles, these technologies, informed by 11-dimensional principles, could detect incoming cosmic particles by their disruptive dimensional signatures, More profoundly, they could generate active dimensional fields that subtly alter or neutralize these specific harmful dimensional resonances before they even impact the human body, providing really unprecedented protection. On Earth, this framework points towards a paradigm shift in preventative and therapeutic medicine. Imagine future 11-dimensional based sensors capable of monitoring a cell's internal dimensional resonance. Long before physical symptoms or even detectable DNA damage appear, a subtle dimensional dysregulation within a cell could be identified. This would allow for the detection of nascent cancerous processes at their absolute inception. The ultimate vision then involves using precisely tuned dimensional frequencies, orchestrated by a profound understanding of the 10th and 11th dimensions, to actively restore healthy cellular resonance, offering a non-invasive, highly targeted approach to both prevent and treat disease by correcting dimensional disharmonies. The 11-dimensional model provides a comprehensive map to unlock secrets that span from the heart of a star to the intricate machinery of a cell. By embracing this profound understanding, we can transcend current limitations not just in theoretical physics, but in our ability to safeguard life, revolutionize health, and navigate the cosmos with unprecedented insight and protection. This is just the beginning of our exploration into the 11-dimensional model's power to reshape our understanding of health and the universe. Join us for the next essay in this series as we continue to unveil the hidden architecture of reality.